Hello, my name is Roberta Odebrecht, Account Director at K.I.T Group. We always have two dedicated teams working in parallel from the early stages of designing a hybrid event. This duplication ensures that we fulfill the needs and expectations of both audiences. Your technology partner should provide a connective and seamless experience. K.I.T Group's virtual event platform K.I.T provides the high-quality streaming that you need to deliver the content to both audiences. K.I.T also provides very low latency, making it easy for you and for your speakers to synchronize both audiences when it comes to interactive engagement tools such as polling, quizzes, or surveys. Consider including activities that both audiences can enjoy together, such as roundtable discussions, brain dates, artificial intelligence matchmaking, or gamification. Think about adding features such as interpretation or captioning to make your hybrid event an inclusive experience for everyone. Both audiences need clear guidance ahead of the event. We always prepare detailed pre-event communications as well as a short video explaining the features of K.I.T and how the attendees can benefit most of their hybrid experience. This is how we make both in-person and virtual delegates happy.